could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink we would lock eyes, so we could disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling in love. Lightness of being we both know to be fleeting, like the last breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could keep even winter away. So I'll remember your laugh, 'cause nothing ever changes the fact that summer is for falling in love. Da-dun-da-dun-day. Summer is for falling in love.
Forgiveness, oh, I won't let it go. Help my eyes see grace poured out from heaven's throne. And mercy, oh, I can't let it be. Keep my heart wide open as you cover me. Thank you, Jesus, you speak to me and call me clean. Thank you, Jesus, you bring me back to your heartbeat, and I can feel you around me, and heaven is not far from here at all. Your presence, how I found my home, hearing your heartbeat again. Oh, shame is gone. Your guidance is showing me to see. Reside my heart in openness. You've covered me. And thank you, Jesus, you speak to me and call me clean. Thank you, Jesus, you bring me back to your heartbeat, and I can feel you around me, and heaven is not far from here at all. You have brought me back home, and you surround me. Forgiven, I am not alone in every season. You have brought me back home, and you surround me. Forgiven, I am not alone. Oh, how I feel you around me. How I feel you